Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about sustainable technology and electric vehicles. We're diving into the groundbreaking partnership between Redwood Materials and Ultium Cells. If you're passionate about the future of clean energy and sustainable manufacturing, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. For those who might not be familiar, Redwood Materials was founded by JB Straubel, the former CTO of Tesla. This company has been making waves in the battery recycling industry with its innovative approaches to creating a closed-loop supply chain. On the other side, we have Ultium Cells, a joint venture between General Motors and LG Energy Solution, which focuses on producing high-performance battery cells for electric vehicles. So what's this partnership all about? Well, Redwood Materials will be recycling production waste from Ultium Cells plants in Warren, Ohio, and Spring Hill, Tennessee. These facilities have an impressive capacity, producing over 80 GW of battery cells per year. And with a third plant under construction in Michigan, this capacity is only going to grow. Even with advanced manufacturing techniques, battery production still generates a significant amount of waste. We're talking about a reject rate of 5 to 10%, which equates to several truckloads of waste each day or around 10,000 tons of material per year from just these two plants. This is where Redwood Materials steps in to make a difference. Redwood Materials is tackling this waste head-on by recycling it into valuable raw materials. This isn't just about reducing waste, it's about ensuring a steady supply of materials for new battery production. In fact, Redwood has already reached a recycling capacity of 40,000 tons, which is equivalent to 15 to 20 GW of battery capacity. One of the crown jewels of Redwood's operations is their hydrometallurgy plant in Nevada. This facility is the first commercial-scale nickel mine and lithium supply source in the USA in over a decade. But instead of traditional mining, Redwood extracts these crucial materials from used batteries and production waste. Talk about innovative? Redwood's vision goes beyond just recycling. The company is now producing its own battery precursors from these recycled materials, effectively closing the loop in the battery supply chain. This means that the materials from old batteries and production waste are being reintegrated into new batteries, promoting a truly circular economy. To keep up with their ambitious goals, Redwood has formed strategic partnerships with several key players in the industry. They've secured agreements with car manufacturers to obtain used batteries and have partnered with other cell manufacturers like Panasonic and AESC to ensure a steady supply of recyclable material. So what does this all mean for the future? Well, the partnership between Redwood Materials and Ultium Cells is a massive step towards making battery production more sustainable. By efficiently recycling production waste, they're not only reducing the environmental impact, but also paving the way for a more sustainable and circular economy in battery manufacturing. That's it for today's video. If you found this information as exciting as we did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in sustainable technology and electric vehicles. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on this partnership and what you think it means for the future of clean energy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.